What we're doing here is we're going to do a helicopter aeromagnetic survey that's being performed to find abandoned wells. So what NETL is doing here is we've taken some technology that's worked in the western United States, that is using helicopter aeromagnetics for finding these wells. It works by sensing the effect of the steel well casing on the Earth's magnetic field.
So like let's say you fly over a truck or something, it has its own magnetic signature. So now if you have a big deposit of iron ore or gold, it'll have its own signature, and you'll be able to differentiate that from the ground around it.
Okay, and so this is just looking at the ground, taking...
That's right, yeah. In a nutshell, it's just a giant flying metal detector.
So tell me about the history of this place. My
grandfather bought the farm in July of 1932. They were both Polish immigrants. They had 9 kids, and my dad was the youngest, and he remained here on the farm until he passed away in September of '98. Well, my dad signed gas leases back in the 80s, late 80s and through the 90s, and then I think in '06 we signed for $15 an acre, and that was great because on 250 acres that'd pay your taxes and even most of your insurance. And being the way the dairy business was, you just tried to get every nickel you could to help out.
So what happened to sort of change your mind about what to expect from this gas business?
It was just, he was putting in too many hours milking cows and basically getting nothing out of it. There was absolutely, he was spending every bit of 6 hours a day. That was just between the milk and the feeding and